To give an auspicious beginning to today's celebration, let us welcome the students for the Veda chanting. Over to Vaishnav.
Respected principal, chief guest, dear parents, teachers, and my beloved friends. Happy evening, everyone. The Vedas are the most ancient and spiritual books of our country. They are not just books, they are the source of timeless knowledge and wisdom. Among the four Vedas, the Atharva Veda contains prayers for peace, protection, and well being. In the Atharva Veda, one of its most beautiful spiritual treasures is the Sri Ganesha Atharva Shirsham. Now, we are going to recite it. Traditionally, we begin all auspicious occasions by invoking Lord Ganesha's blessings. Now, we are going to chant the Sri Ganesha Atharva Shirsham so that the atmosphere is filled with positive energy.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व ईश्वर अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व ईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष ईश्वर हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. The meaning and the essence of the chant. The verses we just heard are not mere sounds. They are the sacred vibrations which awaken the divine power within us. In Ganesha Atharva Shirsham that we have just chanted, Sage Atharva reveals the truth that Lord Ganesha is the supreme consciousness, the one present in all forms, the giver of wisdom and the remover of every obstacle. Lord Ganesha gave us the ability to listen with patience, speak out the truth, and to act with love and humility. O Devas, may our ears hear only auspicious things. May our eyes see only auspicious sights. Having a strong and a healthy body bestowed by God, may we pray you throughout our lives. May Indra, the king of Devas, bless us. May Aditya, source of life and energy, bless us. May Brihaspati, the preceptor of Devas, bless us. May Garuda, symbol of power, wisdom, and protection, bless us. Lord Ganesha teaches us to start every task with faith and courage. He gave us intelligence like his broad head, patience to hear like his large ears, and strength to overcome challenges like his mighty form. As we conclude, let us remember that every good deed becomes divine when begun with his name. May Lord Ganesha bless our school, teachers, parents, and every child here with success, harmony, and happiness, and make this annual day a huge success. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Peace to body, peace to mind, and peace to soul. Thank you.